Yes, let's continue the problems on the multiple and submultiple angles formula. Okay, prove that the followings in that first one, cos of 6x is equal to 32 cos square 6x minus 48 cos square 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1 is there. We need to prove that LHS is equal to the RHS. Okay, observe that left hand side angle 6x is there, right hand side angle only the x is there. We know the formula of the cos of theta or cos of 2 theta. What is the cos of 2 theta? Cos of 2 theta is equal to, we know that only in terms of cos 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Apart from that, in terms of cos, because phi is considered, because here cos of 2 theta totally the 4 forms are there. Out of the form, right hand side observe that only in terms of cos is there. So that only in terms of cos. Along with that, one more value is there, cos of 3 theta. What is the cos of 3 theta? That is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos of theta. Cos of 3 theta is equal to how much? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 times of cos theta. Which one is suitable? Whether first one or a second one? Here, both are the result. I am just going to use here. How means cos of 6x is that? I just split that cos of 6x as cos of 2 into 3x. Cos of 6x can be split as 2 into 3x. Or else we can split as 6x as cos of 6x. We can split it as 2 into 3x. This is one way. Or 3 into 2x. None of the same. That means if I did in this manner, first we have to use cos of 2 theta formula. If you split in this manner, first you have to use cos of 3 theta formula. None of the same. There is no issue at all. Okay, so I just carry solving by this method, cos of 2 theta. What is the cos of 2 theta? 2 times of cos square of theta is the theta value is 3x minus 1 as it is. Again, cos square of 3x, 2 as it is. 2 into cos square 3x. Already cos of 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Whole square is that. That is 4 cos cube of x minus 3 cos of x. This square minus 1 as this. Now simplify 2 into this flower bouquet whole square is there. Inside the flower bouquet, a minus b form. A minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 4ab. A square is nothing but 4 square cos cube of x whole square. A square is over plus b square is nothing but 3 square into cos square of x. B square is over minus 2 into a value. A value is what? 4 into cos cube x into b value is what? 3 cos x. Lower bracket value a minus b whole square is over into 2 is that minus 1 as it is. Are you sure? Only I just replace the cos of 3x formula, whole square is there, a minus b whole square form, a minus b is there, into 2 is there, into 2 and minus 1 is outside the 2. Okay. So first of all, simplify the block. Whole square is 16. 16 times of cos cube of x whole square. What is the cos cube of x whole square? A power m, that power m, laws of indices. 3 a power m, that power m. That means cos power 6 of x plus 3 square is 9. 9 into cos square of x minus 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 times of cos cube x cos x cos power 4 times of x. This is into 2 minus 1 as it is. Now 2 into these 3 terms, what has happened? 16 2s are 32 times of cos 4 6x plus 9 2s are 18 cos square of x minus 24 2s are 48 cos power 4 times of x minus 1 as it is. Rearrange the term. I have got the required result. Check it. What is the required result? 32 times of cos power 6x. X already is that. Minus 48, yes, already is that. Minus 48 into cos power 4 of x. Next, plus 18 is that. Yes, already we have plus 18 times of cos square of x minus 1 as it is. Now the required RHS. What is the required RHS? 32 cos power 6x minus the 48 cos power 4x and plus 18 cos power x minus 1. Hence LHS equal to RHS. This type of problems are for the 3 marks. Very important. Splitting this 1 marks and writing in the formula 1 marks and again simplifying 1 marks. Totally 3 marks question. Very important type of the problem. Yes. And one more thing. One more method I just told you that cos of 6x can be split in this manner. Cos of, instead of 2 into 3x, split it as 3 into 2x. Okay. First of all, use the cos of 3 theta formula. Again, cos of 2 theta formula. First use this one. Second time use this one. Will you have the same answer or not? Now check it. Cross verify. Either follow this method or follow this method. Another thing. Will get the full 3 marks. Okay, next. Yes, next one. Cot x, cot 2x, cot of minus cot 2x minus cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. Here, throughout cot ratio is the right hand side 1 is the left hand side is the x to x, 2x, 3x and 3x 1. That means the angles are there. X is there, 2x is there, 3x is there. The right hand side whole term will cancel and remaining answer is only 1. How to solve this one? Okay, here cot ratio is there and we know the formula. What is the formula means? Cot of x plus y or cot of a plus b. You have taken a cot of x plus y and just write the cot of a plus b. Then we can get out easily. Okay, cot of, because already x to x is there, so that reason I just taken a different angle. So what is the cot of x a plus b? Cot of a plus b is equal to cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot of b plus cot of a. Do you know this one? Cot of a minus b is equal to cot a cot b plus cot b minus cot a is that. Okay. So here I just split that angle x to x and 3x. 3x angle I just split. How I just split the angle 3x means 2x plus x. Will get the area. So before going to simplify, consider the LHS. LHS is equal to cot x is the cot of 2x is the minus cot of 2x into cot of 3x minus cot of 3x into cot of x is the. So here I just split this one. Instead of writing a cot 3x as a cot of 2x plus x, but here cot of 3x, here also cot of 3x. Instead of writing this formula twice, I just take the cot of 3x is common from these two terms. What happens? First two terms as this cot x, cot of 3x as this minus. From these two terms, I just take the cot of 3x is common. If I take a minus cot of 3x is common, what is left? This is cot of 2x is left, minus is common, plus cot of x. Why is this taken a common means? Instead of applying the cot of a plus b twice, I am just trying to apply only once. Replace a cot of 3x as cot of 2x plus x. 3x can be written as 2x plus x or x plus 2x. Now currently same into what is that? Cot of x plus cot of x is the. Here cot of x plus y formula. What we get? First term as this minus. Minus is that. This is cot of a plus b formula. What is that? Cot a. That is cot of x into cot of x minus 1 divided by cot of x plus cot of 2x. This is cot of 2x plus x into what is the value? Cot of 2x plus cot of x is left. Cot of 2x plus cot of x is left. Observe that here cot x plus cot 2x, cot x plus cot 2x get cancelled. What is the remaining value? Minus times of this one. Write the remaining value. Cot of x, cot of 2x minus times of cot of 2x into cot of x minus minus plus 1. So cot x cot 2x, cot x cot 2x, negative sign. Positive term get cancelled. What is the final value? 1 is left, hence the required RHS. This is how we have to solve the problem. So you might have a doubt that how do you take that cot of x is a common and what is the suitable? How we taken this one problem is you have to observe it. What is the suitable formula we can use? Cot is that you can expand it. Cot of 2x can be replaced as x plus x. No problem. 2x plus because multiple angle formula for the cot ratio we don't know. So that cot of 2x can be replaced as cot of x plus x. Again using cot of a plus b formula for the frequently it is not suitable. So I just make the common angles. 3x if you split, we will get these two angles. So that reason I just taken a cot of 3x. Okay. Now next one. Yes. So that cos of 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Angle first of all here left hand side angle 4x is there, right hand side angle only the x is there. So here previously you just solved one problem. For example, cos of 6x is equal to 8 times of cos 4 6x like that. You just solve it. In the same manner, we have to solve this one. So how do you solve this one? Means observe the right hand side. Cos of 4x is the left. Right hand side sin and cos both ratios are there. And cos of 4x or else cos of 2x formula I just use. What is the cos of 2x or cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is equal to totally 4 forms are there. Out of the 4 value, which one is suitable here? 1 minus of is that. So 1 minus of which ratio? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now with the help of that one, what we get? Check it. LHS is cos of 4x. 4x can be split as 2 into 2x. What is the theta value? Theta value is 2x. Replace it. What is the theta value? 2x means 1 minus 2 as it is. Sin square of theta value is how much? 2x. In place of theta, 2x. That's all. 2 as it is, 2 is that. Now again 1 minus 2 into sin square of 2x is that. Can I write it as a sin of 2x whole square? Okay. So 1 minus 2 into sin of 2x whole square is that. What is the sin 2x? First of all, have I got the required result? No. Right hand side angle only x is that. But here the angle 2x is that. 2x we need to connect. Yes, we know the sin of 2x. What is the sin 2x? 2 sin x into cos of x whole square. Now take a square. 2 as it is. This 2 square is 4 into sin square x into cos square of x. Now again multiply. 2 4s are 8. 8 into sin square x into cos square of x. Hence the answer. So this is the LHS equal to RHS. Next. Yes. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x is that. Okay. How do you solve this one? Here to solve this one, we cannot apply directly the transformation formula because the linear term should be that cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d, but here square is there, which is not possible. Left hand side difference of the cos ratio is that square, right hand side product of the sin ratio is that. Angle, observe the angle, here 2x and 6x is that, here 4x and 8x is that. Okay. Now, can I consider this value as a square minus b square form? What is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. Okay, split it, we will get the answer. What we get? Cos square of 2x minus cos square of 6x is that. Okay, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So cos of 2x plus cos of 6x into cos of 2x minus cos of 6x. Are you sure? A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now can we apply the cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d? Yes, obviously you can apply. Before going to apply the transformation formula, make sure that c angle is larger. I just rewrite. How I just rewrite means, first of all I just write the 6x, cos of 6x plus cos of 2x. There is no issue term. But here minus is common. Minus is common means I just write the minus here into cos of 6x minus cos of 2x. Multiply this minus to here, we get the previous result. Now once again we know the cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. What is the cos of c plus cos of d? Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos c minus cos d is equal. What is the cos c minus cos d? Is equal to minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Okay, applying those two formula, what will get? Minus is outside. Cos c plus cos d. 2 times of cos of 6x plus 2x. Just write the formula in the solution. I just written at the side. Okay, no problem. In the same page, I just written at the side. 6x plus 2x, 8x by 2 is 4x. I am just writing directly. Yes, into cos of 6x minus 2x, 4x by 2 is 2x over into next bracket cos c minus cos d. What is the cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 into sin of c plus d by 2. 6x plus 2x, 8x by 2 is 4x into sin of c minus 3 by 2. 6x minus 2x, 4x by 2 is 2x. Okay, multiply. What we get? Here already minus 2 is there, minus 2 is there. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Cos 4x, cos 2x. Sin 4x, sin 2x is there. So write that as this cos 4x into cos of 2x and again sin 4x into sin of 2x is there. So here, but what is the right hand side? Only the sin 4x into sin 8x is required. Sin 4x is required and sin 8x is required. We don't have that result. Here, little bit arrangement we have to do. Actually, this is right, but right hand side for they are asking in this manner. So I am just rewriting. How I just rewrite this? Instead of writing the 4, I just write the 2 into 2. Instead of writing the 4, I just write the 2 into 2. Okay. Group the term. What are the grouping the term is? 2 cos of 4x and sin of 4x. 2 into sin 4x into cos 4x. But write 2 times of sin of 4x into cos of 4x. These are the one set of terms. And the remaining value 2 is there. And again sin 2x is left, sin 2x, and again cos 2x is left, cos of 2x. What we can write this first bracket 2 times of sin 4x into sin cos of 4x. It is the right hand side of the sin of 2 theta. What is the sin of 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta is that in terms of theta. Okay. 2 sin theta into cos theta. In terms of theta, what is the value? 4x is there. So what we can write the left hand side? Sin of 2 theta. That means sin of 2 into 4x. That will get it as a 8x. Similarly, 2 times of sin theta cos theta. In terms of theta, in place of theta, 2x is there. What we can write? Sin of 2 into 2x. That will get the sin of 4x. I got the required result. Yes. Sin 4x into sin of 8x. If you need, you just write sin of 4x into sin of 8x. Hence the RHS. This is how we have to solve the problem. At this problem, simplifying, we have not got the required result, but little bit arrangement we have did here. So you just need to familiar. Just practice it. You will get the answer. Okay. Next. Yes. So next one, prove that cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 of theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. So actually these problems are other than the NCERT. So for your examination and test, we are going to ask only the problems, whatever the problems are there in the NCERT book. Those problems only solved and the unsolved problems and as well as the exercise. In NCERT book, we just practice the solved examples, exercise problems and unsolved examples. So for your practice purpose, I am just taking the other than the NCERT books just for a practice, because how many number of problems you are practicing, more number of problems you practice means trigonometry will be perfect. So that reason I just taken a different problems. Okay. Now here we need to prove that LHS equal to RHS. The LHS part is cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal to cos of 2 theta is there. Left hand side angle only theta, right hand side we have to get the 2 theta. Okay, how to get? So I just consider the LHS value. If I consider value, what is that? Cos power 4 of theta minus sin power 4 of theta. I need to get the cos of 2 theta. Already know the cos 2 theta. There are 4 results. Whatever that, one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Yes, little bit similar result. If you instead of put 4, if you have a square, you can easily write the cos of 2 theta. Apart from that, in terms of cos, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Only in terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. These are all the formulas for the cos of 2 theta. Here, both sin and cos are there. I just rewrite this one. How I just rewrite means cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. Once again, will you get the cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta? Yes, obviously. Now a square minus b square. This bracket is a a, this bracket is a b whole square. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. First of all, a plus b, cos square theta plus sin square theta. A plus b is a minus b, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Are you sure? A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. What is the first bracket value? First bracket value is 1 by trigonometric first identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta or sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. What is the remaining value? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is 11, which is nothing but directly a cos of 2 theta. Hence the solution. This is how we have to solve the problems. Next one, second one, in the same manner. Sin x divided by 1 plus cos of x is equal to tan of x divided by 2. Sin x divided by 1 plus cos x is equal to tan of x divided by 2 is there. Here theta is there, right hand side 2 theta. Here angle x is there, right hand side x by 2 is there. That means half angle formula. Already know that multiple angle, submultiple angle or multiple angle, half angle formulas. Okay. Consider the LHS part. So what is the LHS part? Sin of x divided by 1 plus cos of x. Right hand side angle is x by 2 and ratio is tan. How do you write this one? Here I just write the formulas, whatever the formulas are there. Here tan of x by 2 is nothing but we must and should get it as sin x by 2 divided by cos of x by 2. How to get the sin x by 2 divided by cos of x by 2? Okay. Sin of 2 theta, how do you know that? What is the sin of 2 theta? Sin of 2 theta, I just got this one. Sin of 2 theta, how do you know that? What is the sin of 2 theta? 2 sin theta into cos theta is that. Okay. Now, instead of writing the 2 theta, if I have only the theta, sin of theta, in this case, what we can write? This for this angle 2 theta divided by 2. Here also divided by 2. Here also divided by 2. Only for the angle. What will get? 2 sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. You have already taken this formula. With the help of this one, we can easily manipulate this one. For the only the angle divided by 2. Here also for angles divided by 2. 2 theta by 2. Only the theta by 2, theta by 2. This is the formula, one formula for the numerator. And apart from that, cos of 2 theta we know that. What is the cos 2 theta? Totally 4 forms. Out of the 4 forms, here I just take the in terms of cos. What is the in terms of cos? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Or else in terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square of theta. Okay. Leave over this one, only consider this one. If I take 1 into left hand side, what happens? 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Now, here also left hand side angle 2 theta is there, right hand side angle theta is there. Here angle only x is there. Observe for the angle 2 theta and theta divided by 2. What happens? 1 plus cos of theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. I got this result. Yes, this is said to be a half angle formula. This is said to be a half angle formula or a submultiple angle. So because we have already know that 1 plus cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, and similarly take this one, or 1 minus cos of 2 theta can be written as 2 sin square theta. Already know these formulas. With the help of the cos of 2 theta, this one only we can rewrite and get the result. Okay, so here I am just using the values. Sin x as this one and 1 plus cos x as this one. What we get? If you need to just mention these formulas, pause the video, just mention it. Now what will get? Sin x is replaced as, in place of x, here theta is what we can write? 2 sin of x by 2 into cos of x by 2, whole thing divided by 1 plus cos x can be replaced as 2 cos square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2. How to get this idea means, if you know the formulas, then only you can get the idea, unless it is not possible to solve the problems. Okay. Is any term will cancel? Check it. Here we can cancel the 2. Yes. Denominator cos square x by 2, numerator cos of x by 2. One of the cos x by 2, one of the cos x by 2 will cancel. What is the remaining value? Sin of x by 2 divided by cos of x by 2. Sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is nothing but tan of x by 2. Hence the required RHS. I got the required result. Yes, that's all. So this is how we have to solve the problem. LHS equal to RHS. Very simple problems, and if you know the formula, then you can solve the trigonometry problem. Just don't worry, just practice once, twice or thrice, you will get the idea. And while practicing, first time refer the notes, no problem. See the step by step, every step, and after time, whenever second time you are practicing, just note down the problem, given problem. Then try to solve it, try to get the idea, because already you just practiced it second time. So that don't see the solution, think over it. How do we solve this one? Which is the suitable formula? Just think over it. If you got the proper formula, just proceed. Or else just see how the first step has started. Don't see the next one. After, once you start the first step, then you can easily get the answer. If you not, then practice more number of times. Okay. Anyhow, practice well. If you have any doubts, just text me in our WhatsApp group. Anyhow, let's take the next problem. Yes, for that, under the square root of 1 plus cos of x divided by 1 minus cos of x is equal to cot x. Left hand side, square root is for numerator and denominator. 1 plus cos of x, 1 minus cos of x is there. Okay. Is equal to angle x is there, cot x is there. Left hand side angle 2x, right hand side angle x is there. Okay. Already know the cos of 2 theta formula, that is 1 plus cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Already know that. How do you get this one? If you need one more time, just take and remember these two conversions. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. If you take on minus 1 into left hand side, plus 1, that will get the first result. And suppose 1 minus 2 sin square theta is there, cos 2 theta is equal to. Take the 2 sin square theta into left hand side, shift the cos 2 theta into right hand side. 1 minus 2 cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. We will get the answer. Okay. Anyhow, I am just using these two formulas directly. What happens? LHS is equal to square root of 1 plus cos of x divided by 1 minus cos of x. What we can write the 1 plus cos of x? 2 cos square x divided by 1 minus cos of x can be written as 2 sin square x. Here in terms of theta, so that theta. Here in terms of x, I am just writing x. Okay. Here inside the square root, 2 to get cancelled. Root of cos square theta divided by sin square theta is cot square theta. Cot square theta is nothing but it is cot of theta or cot of x. Here x is the, hence LHS is equal to RHS. That's it. Now in the same manner, next forward, 2 times of sin A minus sin 2A divided by 2 sin A plus sin of 2A is equal to tan square of A by, is equal to tan square of A by. Here x angle is there, here theta angle is there, here angle A is there. Okay, different notation they are using. Okay, we need to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side sin A, sin 2A is there. Right hand side tan square A by 2 is there. That means half angle. First of all, and don't cancel this 2, which is not possible. Okay, so we can use the sin C plus sin B, but there is a problem because 2 is the direct, which is not possible. Now what I just do, 2 sin A as it is minus as sin of 2 theta formula, you know that. What is the sin of 2 theta? 2 sin theta into cos theta. Apply here 2 sin of A into cos of A. Apart from that, whole thing divided by 2 sin of A plus sin of 2 is that again the same thing, 2 sin A into cos of A. Is anything common? Yes, 2 sin A, 2 sin A. Numerator 2 sin A is common. What is left? 1 minus cos of A. Denominator, what is the common? Again the same thing, 2 sin A is common. What is left? 1 plus cos of A. So 2 sin A get cancelled, remaining 12. 1 minus cos of A divided by 1 plus cos of A. Have got the required RHS. What is RHS? Tan square A by 2 is there. It is not our RHS. Yes, again the same result is the 1 minus cos of A. Here 2 theta is there, right hand side only theta. Here angle only A is there. Divided by 2. That means 1 minus cos of A can be written as 2 sin square A by 2. Similarly, 1 plus cos A can be written as 2 cos square A by. This is the sub multiple angle or a half angle part. Here 2 to get cancelled. What is left? I just continue here. Sin square A divided by cos square A by 2. So sin of A by 2 divided by cos of A by 2 whole square. So sin by cos is nothing but tan. So tan square of A by, directly also we can write. Hence LHS is equal to the RHS. So this is how we have to solve the problem. Okay. Now next. Yes. Prove that 1 minus cos of 2 theta divided by sin of 2 theta is equal to tan of theta. Left hand side angles are 2 theta, right hand side angle is theta. Once again, yes, the same identity. 1 minus cos of 2 theta divided by sin of 2 theta. Use the sin of 2 theta formula, cos of 2 theta formula. What we can write this value 1 minus cos of 2 theta. Can I write directly the 2 sin square of theta? Formula is that. What is the formula? Cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Minus 2 sin square theta taken left hand side. This one taken left hand side and this one shifting into right hand side. First numerator formula. Divided. Sin of 2 theta formula. What is that? 2 sin theta into cos of theta. Yes, we got the answer. Here 2 to cancel. One of the sin get cancelled. Remaining value is sin theta divided by cos of theta. What is the sin theta divided by cos of theta? That becomes a tan of theta. That's the required RHS. That's it. Now the next one is very important type of the problem. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 into cos of 8 theta. 2 into cos of 8 theta is equal to 2 cos of theta. Prove that LHS is equal to RHS. What is the value? Check it. Square root of, this is the square root of 2 plus again square root of 2 plus again square root of 2 plus 2 cos of 8 theta is equal to 2 cos theta. Okay. Right hand side only angle theta is there. Left hand side angle is 8 theta is there. Okay. Here I am just going to solve this problem by the help of the cos of 2 theta formula. What is the cos of 2 theta formula? Left hand side cos ratio is there. Right hand side cos ratio is there. So cos of 2 theta in terms of cos ratio, what we can write? This is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Minus 1 taken to left hand side, 1 plus cos of 2 theta. So what we can write? The 1 plus cos of 2 theta. 1 plus cos of 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta. Try to convert 1 plus cos 2 theta. Reduce it because angle 8 theta is there. That should be reduced to theta. So LHS. What is the LHS? 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. Here one more time write it 2 plus cos of 8 theta. I just split the 8 theta. How I just split the 8 theta means need to use the multiple angle, that is 2 as it is plus 2 into cos of 8 theta is split into 2 into 4 theta. 8 theta is split as 2 into 4 theta. Now which is of the form? Check it. Cos of 2 theta. Here 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus, or else 2 is common. Here also 2, here also 2. 2 is common. If we take 2 is common, what is left? 1 plus cos of 2 into 4 theta. Are you sure? Okay. So what is the 1 plus cos of 2 theta? 1 plus cos of 2 theta can be written as cos square theta. In place of theta, what is the value? 4 theta is that. What we can write in the next step? 2 as it is plus of 2 as it is plus of this 2 as it is. Okay, into 1 plus cos as it is cos. In place of 2 as it is. In place of theta, 4 theta is there. Okay. In place of theta, 4 theta replace it. 2 as it is. Here 2 into cos square of theta. What is the theta value? 4 theta value. So it is theta value is 4 theta. That's all. Now the next one is again the same thing. Whatever the equation is just the same manner you have to proceed. Okay. 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 2s are 4. Root of 4 is 2 outside the root. Square root of cos square of 4 theta, that means only the cos of 4 theta. Have you understood this one? How to get this one? This is 2 into 2, 4 is that. Root of 4 is 2. Again, root of square is that. Square root get cancelled, only the cos of 4. Again, this 4 theta is split. How to split the 4 theta? Root of 2 plus 2 plus 2 into, or else take the 2 is common. If I take the 2 is common, what happens? 1 plus cos of 4 theta can be split as 2 into 2 theta. So I just continue here. What we get? Make sure that, or else I just continue here. So what is the answer? LHS is equal to root of 2 as it is plus root of this 2 as it is 2. 1 plus cos of 2 into 2 theta. 2 into theta. Theta place, what is the value? 2 theta is there. What we can write? 2 into cos square of 2 theta. That's all. Now, simplify. 2 as it is plus root of 2 into 2, 4. Cos square of 2 theta. What is the value? Root of 2 plus root 4 is 2. Cos square of 2 theta under the square root is just the cos of 2 theta. Again the same thing, under root of 2 is common, 1 plus cos of 2 theta. So under the root of 2 as it is, what is 1 plus cos 2 theta? That is 2 cos square theta. 2 2s are 4. So root of 4 into cos square theta, that is root of 4 is 2. Root of cos theta is just cos of theta. Hence the answer 2 cos of theta. Just only the one formula, that is cos of 2 theta or 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos 4 theta. That value we have to rearrange it. Supplying, taking common, rearranging the term, we have to get the result. Okay. With this problem, I stop here. The remaining problems on the multiple angles and submultiple angles will be continuing the next video. Okay. Thank you.